Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's exciting episode, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the space industry. So, buckle up and get ready for a mind blowing cosmic journey. Artificial intelligence has the potential to answer some of the most critical questions about our universe. It also helps in answering many questions such as, are we alone in the universe? What is the origin of universe? And can we shift to other planets for survival? In today's episode, let's understand how AI is revolutionizing the space exploration and space discoveries. Space is a final frontier and AI will help in discovering all the locked mysteries. In this video, let us understand how AI is helping astronomers, engineers and explorers to achieve new breakthroughs in the space research and innovation. AI is not only a powerful tool for analyzing massive amounts of data, but also a creative partner for generating novel ideas and solutions. It can also enhance the autonomy and efficiency of space missions, making them more feasible and also cost effective. So now let's have a look how some of the AI techniques are transforming all the space discoveries and space innovations. Artificial intelligence for data processing and analytics. All know that one of the biggest challenge in the space research is collection and storage of enormous amount of data that is collected from satellites, from telescopes, from space probes, etc. This data is often complex and it requires a human effort to process it and to interpret it. AI can help automate this process and also ease this process. It uses techniques like machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, and natural language processing. AI can also discover hidden patterns and insights from the data, which will reveal new phenomena and phenomenons. One of the biggest example is that AI was used to capture the image of the event horizon of the black hole. It used deep learning algorithms to reconstruct the data from multiple telescopes. It classified galaxies based on their shapes, colors, and features using neutral network trained on existing catalogs. It detected exoplanets outside of the solar system from the light curves of the stars using the convolutional neural network to identify the subtle dips in brightness which were caused by planetary transits. Lastly, it is also used to identify the potential landing sites for Mars rovers using computer vision to analyze high-resolution images of the Martian surface. AI can also be used for space mission design and operations. Another challenge in space research is designing and optimizing the space missions, which have to be efficient, robust, as well as feasible. Space missions involve very complex and interrelated factors such as propulsion systems, navigation system, communication system, payload requirement, mission requirements, and orbital dynamics. AI can help optimize these factors using techniques such as optimization algorithms, evolutionary algorithms, reinforcement learning, and swarm intelligence. It can also generate novel and innovative solutions that human may not think or consider of. It can also help design new shapes and structures for the spacecraft using a new technology and new idea which meet certain requirements. AI can also help to plan the activities and tasks of rovers and probes using swarm intelligence to distribute the workload among multiple agents. Now let us see how artificial intelligence is used in space discovery and exploration. The ultimate goal of space research is to explore and discover new worlds and civilizations. Space exploration is a risky endeavor which requires human curiosity as well as courage. But humans are limited by their physical and cognitive constraints as well as ethical and social constraints. AI can help to augment and extend human capabilities by using techniques such as artificial neural networks, natural language generation, computer vision generation. It can also act as a companion and collaborator for human explorers, providing assistance, guidance, and feedback as well as inspiration. For example, artificial intelligence has been used to communicate with astronauts in the space stations or on other planets. For instance, Simon, which is the Crew Interactive Mobile Companion, is an AI-powered robot that can interact with astronauts through voice commands. The XEMU, which is Exploration Extravehicular Mobility Unit, is an AI-powered spacesuit that can monitor the health and safety of astronauts during spacewalks. Another example is the generative adversarial networks, which are a type of deep learning model that can create synthetic images from noise or low resolution inputs. These can generate high quality images of various domains and discover new phenomena that are beyond human perception or comprehension. AI is not only a powerful tool for collecting huge massive amount of data from the satellites, but it also acts as a creative partner that can generate novel ideas. So with this note, let's step up to the conclusion. AI is revolutionizing space exploration and discovery by creating new ways of processing data analysis. It also helps design optimal space missions and augment human capability. AI is not only a powerful tool for analyzing massive amount of data collected by satellites, telescopes, rovers and probes, but also acts as a creative partner for generating novel ideas and solutions for furthermore discoveries about space and space research. So this shows how AI has become a part of the space industry and how it has been revolutionizing the space industry in collecting data and creating novel ideas and also extending the human capabilities. In the future, AI will definitely help us answer many of the unknown questions and the mysteries about space. If you found this video valuable, please make sure to like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more such content.